Hi, welcome back to Interactive French Practice session number 11. My name is Lisiane and I'm your French teacher over at thefrenchcompass.com. Today, we're going to review the Passé Composé again, part 3, with Avoir. Exercise number 1. Remember that the sentence is first given in English and you're asked to translate it into French. Sentence number 1. He finished his homework. Answer. Il a fini ses devoirs. Again, il a fini ses devoirs. You can also say il a terminé ses devoirs. Il a terminé ses devoirs. Sentence number 2. Did you grow up in France? Formal or plural? Did you grow up in France? Answer. Vous avez grandi en France? Again, vous avez grandi en France? You can also ask, est-ce que vous avez grandi en France? Est-ce que vous avez grandi en France? Sentence number 3. I chose a beautiful postcard. Answer. J'ai choisi une belle carte postale. Again, j'ai choisi une belle carte postale. Sentence number 4. We took some bread. Answer. On a pris du pain. Again, on a pris du pain. Exercise number 2. Sentence number 1. Where did you learn French? Formal or plural? Where did you learn French? Answer. Vous avez appris le français où? Again, vous avez appris le français où? You can also ask, où est-ce que vous avez appris le français? Où est-ce que vous avez appris le français? Sentence number 2. Did you understand what she said? Informal. Did you understand what she said? Answer. Tu as compris ce qu'elle a dit? Again, tu as compris ce qu'elle a dit? You can also ask, est-ce que tu as compris ce qu'elle a dit? Est-ce que tu as compris ce qu'elle a dit? Sentence number 3. She put her keys in her bag. Answer. Elle a mis ses clés dans son sac. Again, elle a mis ses clés dans son sac. Sentence number 4. They said hello. Answer. Ils ont dit bonjour. Again, ils ont dit bonjour. Exercise number 3. Sentence number 1. I wrote 30 emails this morning. Answer. J'ai écrit 30 emails ce matin. Again, j'ai écrit 30 emails ce matin. Sentence number 2. They followed our instructions. Answer, ils ont suivi nos instructions. Again, ils ont suivi nos instructions. Sentence number 3. He surprised everyone. Answer, il a surpris tout le monde. Again, il a surpris tout le monde. Sentence number 4. We put the gifts on the table. Answer, on a mis les cadeaux sur la table. Again, on a mis les cadeaux sur la table. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for taking part again. Remember that you can download the PDF of this exercise at thefrenchcompass.com/interactive French. I wish you a very nice day, very nice week, and see you next week. Bye!